Okay, today is the 21st of June 2021. There's Orivedenkatu 22 stickers, the last stickers in the civilization building. We can film just one example. It's replaced. It's originally built in 1976, probably by one engineer.
Yeah.
It would have been 45 years old this year in 2021. And it should have been made faster.
Yeah. Sånt ska till Välkynkallio.
They're doing some renovation here right now.
Yeah.
Not a bad cab.
Yeah.
It was replaced in 2016. The serial number is 424 to 9820 and the capacity is 6 persons and 450 grams. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022.
Yeah.
Already 5 years old this year.
Yeah.
But still it's brand new. There is no Douglas button. Probably had no windows before.
Yeah.
And it has knife force. The good thing is that it opens the door immediately when it stops.
Yeah.
Some of these stop first and open.
Yeah. Expected kaikki vain sitten mentiin paikkaan.
Well, maybe it is fast enough, it just feels a bit slow.
Yeah.
I have to change the battery.
No. That's